Jasmy fam, the reason we are millionaires and you are not, a poem written for the elites that they don't want to share. Jasmy, when the right time comes, we should act without hesitation and capture the opportunity. This is an article we're about to dive in once again from 279. Love the articles that they make, and it's amazing to read them, man. Jasmy fam, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. So to start it off, man, the elites don't want us to be rich. The government, the systems, the top officials, the World Economic Forum, they don't want us to be rich. But this is why we have decentralization. This is why we have crypto. This is why we have investing. And we will defeat what is, destined for a lot of people, man. Destined for everyone out there. Not everyone, but the majority of people. There's not going to be a middle class in the future. There's only going to be rich and poor, right? And with Jasmy, with great utility projects, with great altcoins, with crypto, we'll be on the right side, the winning side. The reason why we are millionaires and you are not is due to hesitation. The speed at which we think and analyze wealth generating opportunities is faster because we don't hesitate. We trust our instincts and promptly act on the ideas and institutions that hold the potential for wealth because we don't hesitate. We don't hesitate to seize opportunities that can make us rich because we don't hesitate. This is why we are millionaires and you are not, because we don't hesitate, right? That's why you have to be with investing, man. Don't second guess yourself. Dollar cost average into good projects. Have a diversified portfolio. Don't, trust yourself and your instincts after doing your own research, and you will win. Shout out to 279 for the great article, man. From Neo Xtrix. Hello from K-Sato, CEO of Jasmy, etc. In my opinion, he will replace K Ando because this man is not like the others. Read carefully, and if you think they don't know what they do, it's really underestimated their abilities. Okay, if you don't think they don't know what they're doing, you don't think the team of Jasmy, the former Sony executives, don't know what they're doing, you're underestimating the team and their abilities. But unlike others, they sleep peacefully in the evening. So we have right here from Neo Xtrix, always down the rabbit hole, man. This is from BJIT Group. And again, Jasmy tied into so many of these huge companies in Japan because of the team of Jasmy, right? Kazumasa Sato, because of the team of Jasmy and their experience in Silicon Valley, being former Sony executives. So BJIT Limited was founded in Dhaka, Bangladesh in 2001. BJIT Incorporated was founded in Japan in 2004 as a group company of BJIT Group. About 370 engineers are working for various BJIT projects in Bangladesh, Japan, and Finland. Since its foundation, BJIT has successfully delivered hundreds of projects, right? Hundreds of projects, guys. Crazy stuff. Our development and delivery centers in the Japan, Finland, Singapore, US, Silicon Valley, and Bangladesh serve numerous clients, including several Fortune 100 companies. Y'all read that? Several Fortune 100 companies. We have many talented employee and consulting professionals of IT enterprise solutions, business process outsourcing, engineering solution, education training, leveraging deep industry and functional expertise, leading technology particles, and a global delivery model. We enable companies achieve their business goals and transformation objectives. Established in 2001, web and smartphone application. Probably could be why we see Jasmy with their secure PC and their eventual development of smartwatches. Application development in different platforms, including large-scale web-based enterprise solutions, smartphone, IoT, PC app, web enterprise. Again, Jasmy, secure PCs, IoT, testing, quality assurance and testing in different areas, including application, firmware, and hardware layer, manual tests, automation tests, IoT, and embedded engineering section focus on developing embedded solution considering Android, Linux, and IoT. And we have their client list right here: NTT Data Group, Sony Group, IBM, SourceNext Japan, of course Sony Group, man, US Access Japan, and Germany Brother Industries, Kyocera Communication Systems, Flextronics, Fujisoft, and Toshiba, right? And a lot of people already tied in Jasmy with that Toshiba partnership as well. We also have a video right here. Again, huge shout outs, huge respect to NeoXtrix for diving down the rabbit hole and finding so much deep-rooted gems and all the connections of where these connections are coming from is the experience of the Jasmy team, right? And what they have contributed to the Japan IoTs, Silicon Valley in Japan, all the technical advances in Japan through their Sony, their leadership in Sony, right? And their past experiences as well. So that's why you see so many connections for Jasmy, right? I leave you with this video. A person from Hawaii who comes to give their opinion on the representative of Docomo, Japan. The latter seems to have learned Quesado's speech. Jasmy is not a project alone, but is a part of a national plan. Remember that, right? Let's see what we got here, guys.
Division. Mr. Nakamura, welcome.
Thank you.
Tell us, what is your vision of 5G?
We want to connect everything, not only the terminal, but also the train, car, consumer electronics, even for the jewelry, clothes, everything. And also, of course, the contents will be extended, and
that's basically what IoTs are developing, guys. The Internet of Things, connecting everything to 5G, the internet, to Society 5.0, where everything is just interconnected. All these technologies are just interconnected and seamlessly integrated into our day-to-day lives. And you know, your washing machine, every single appliance that you have in the home and in your workplace, right? All of them connected to blockchain as well. I'm telling you, like, the future is going to be insane. And that's why I say the vision behind Jasmy and what their vision is to develop fits right into what will unfold as you know, time progresses, similar to a lot of AI projects as well. Again, I said this time and time before that the Internet of Things, right, is its own sector in crypto, right? There's a number of different IoT projects in crypto, and that sector, that narrative hasn't gotten its shyness as yet. Same thing with data, right? Big data, right? Hasn't gotten its shine as yet, and eventually will when people start to catch up.
More rich content need to be transmitted. So 4K, 8K TV will come, and also education and healthcare is a very important aspect in the Japanese market, and the lifeline system, that is also very important in Japan considering the disasters. So we need to consider everything, many things for the 5G.
And when do you think we'll see 5G?
In the 2020, maybe some kind of initial 5G services need to be provided.
A lot of things changed after we got that pandemic, guys, right? After we got that pandemic, a lot of remote work has been happening. A lot of empty office buildings, and again, I think it was from Bit Metaverse, or it was from Jasmy US, or maybe it was from 279 that mentioned remote work and how Jasmy is will be, you know, beneficial to remote work with their secure PCs and their other advances as well, right?
And then within the several years, we will provide a complete 5G services.
Do you expect Japan to be a leader in the deployment of 5G technology?
Japan will be the leader of the 5G deployment, but we have to consider the global harmonization together. So we need to consider some kind of coordination between the country, between the regions to deploy the 5G system.
What are the biggest challenges do you think the industry and Docomo are going to face in the next few years as we target this 2020 deployment?
Many companies, industries, including Docomo, has a strong interest in the use of the higher spectrum band.
And again, because of the Jasmy team, right, and their experience, all the work that they've done with Sony, as being Sony executives, all the work that they did before Sony, right? That's where the connection to Docomo comes in, right? NeoXtrix, again, down the rabbit hole, finding these types of information. It is freaking amazing to see, man.
And that was not used for the mobile cellular system so far. And from technical point of view, use of the higher spectrum band for cellular system, that's one of the challenges, I think. And also harmonization, technical harmonization, that should be, and the spectrum harmonization, that's also a very important challenges. We have already deployed 3G, 4G systems, and we know that ecosystems among the whole industries are very, very important in terms of the interoperability and procurement of the systems and so on.
And with that, Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member to support the channel further. I'll catch you guys in the next one.